Can you show him your face, Colton?
No, it's okay. Okay, yeah, go ahead, show me your face.
Lift up your mask.
Mr. Stormtrooper. He takes this seriously.
He does.
Okay, so told him you were going to come here today. What did he say about how he wanted to go?
He wanted to wear his Stormtrooper costume, or else we couldn't come.
Okay, so
And here we are.
how much has he been wearing his Stormtrooper?
Well, we just got it yesterday, and he's been wearing it all day, every day, except for sleeping.
Oh wow, okay,
Non-stop, 24 hours.
non-stop. Okay. Do Stormtroopers like seafood? Oh, and do you like it fried or broiled? We're at the DeSoto Seafood Festival, you know. This is what Stormtroopers look like without their mask.
Uh-oh, back on. In disguise.
Show him your powers.
Is that
His powers.
oh, he has powers. I forgot about the powers. I gotta watch out.